This is how you can download illustrations from the internet to your iPhone. First, you got to find a website to find illustrations on. Let's open Safari. I use pixabay.com, Pixabay.com, because they have so many royalty-free options. They almost cover all the bases. But I'm sure there's going to be times where you don't find what you want here, but I'd check here first because they're an awesome resource. So the search bar up here on the homepage allows you to search the entire website for whatever topic you're working on. We can also refine our topic at the top with different categories. I'm going to choose illustrations in this case. I'm going to search for landscape, see what kind of landscape illustrations they have. They have almost 42,000 illustrations tagged as landscape, all different styles. You can filter by styles and dominant colors and all kinds of things. When you find one you like, just tap on it. That takes you to the page for the illustration, including the download button. You can also edit the image in Canva. You can't edit it completely, but you can do a lot of stuff with it, even with the free account of Canva. We're just going to download this right to our phones. Click this down arrow or tap it to choose a size for the file. If you want, you can have SVG, you can have PNGs large, PNG medium, PNG small. That's all the options here. I'm going to choose SVG vector graphic because that will allow us to scale this image to any size without it pixelating, which is pretty cool. So here it asks us, do we want to download this file name? Yep. Tap on download. Now it's on our phone. But where is it on our phone? It's in the files folder. So let's head back to the home screen. If you don't know where your files folder is on the home screen, that's okay because I never do either. Tap on the spotlight search, start typing files. You see it appear up here. Tap on it to open it. Go all the way back until you come to the Browse tab. This is the beginning screen for the Files app. Your phone, by default, will have these locations on it, I think, more than likely, or as some subset of these. The file's going to be in the On My Phone folder, and it's going to be in a folder called Downloads or Recently Downloaded or Recents or something like that. I have mine favorited, my Downloads folder. That's why it appears up here. So you're going to tap on that. And I'm going to find that file what he's downloaded. And it is right here. That's the file name. We see it's quite zoomed in. It's a vector graphic, so it's like maximum size. So if you want to download a smaller size, just click on that tab or that little down arrow on the Pixabay website. This one right here. So you can pick a smaller size. The SVG will be maximum size. What you can do now is tap on the share icon. You can share it with friends, share it with apps, turn it into a social post, use it in a vector editing app or a photo editing app on your computer. Lots of options for you to do now that you have this file on your phone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. If you've never heard of that before, it's about high time you did this. So check out that video and I'll see you there.